Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire for beginners. First, let's understand the game's objective. You'll use a standard 52-card deck, aiming to move all cards to 4 foundation piles. These piles are built up in suit, starting with an ace and ending with a king. The main playing area, called the tableau, is where you'll build down in alternating colors. It's a fun and engaging way to pass the time, and with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Setting up Solitaire is straightforward. You'll deal 7 tableau piles across your playing surface. The first pile on the left gets 1 card, the second gets 2, and this continues until the 7th pile has 7 cards. Only the very top card of each of these 7 piles is turned face up, all others remain face down. The rest of the deck becomes your stock pile, ready for drawing when you need more options. This initial setup is crucial for a good game. Now let's talk about making moves. Your primary goal is to expose those face-down cards in the tableau. You can move cards between tableau piles, always building down in alternating colors. For instance, a red queen can be placed on a black king. You can also move entire sequences of cards if they are already in order. When you run out of moves on the tableau, draw cards from your stock pile, either 1 or 3 at a time. This keeps the game flowing. To win Solitaire, focus on moving all cards to the 4 foundation piles. A key strategy is to always prioritize exposing face-down cards in the tableau, as this opens up more possibilities. Remember, an empty tableau column can only be filled by a king or a sequence starting with a king. It's also wise to think a few moves ahead, considering how each card placement might affect your future options. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering Solitaire.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.